Hi everyone, Jan here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me again. As you can see, I'm reusing a canvas. I had done a little test on this tiny canvas at 18 by 24 centimeters using only gold paints. Major fail. So that one, yeah, was to be reused. And I decided to do a test swipe with the Amsterdam Pearl paints. I had seen Rinske Downer do a Dutch pour that came out amazing, and I decided that I wanted to check it out myself. No question that the Pearl paints react best and show best if you use them on a black background. So that's what I'm doing here. I am also testing out four of the Pearl paints: the white, the silver, the blue, and the violet. Excuse me. I will say that the white and the silver maybe do not really give that much on an effect, but definitely the violet and the blue show out better. And that's also why after this one I actually did the Lustre video, which you may already have seen. If not, it'll pop up here on the screen so that you can go check it out. I did that with only 3 of the colors. I left out the white because or maybe it was the silver. It didn't make sense to use both of them, definitely. I think it was only the white and the blue and the violet that I used. Now I've ordered the sample set of all Amsterdam Pearls, so I will definitely be trying out all of them in another piece at some point. But yeah, I am just adding all the white pearl paints here, or the pearl paints here, and as you can see, it just looks as if I'm adding 4 white cups. But of course, once it dries, you'll see that it has a sheen of the violet and the blue and the silver and the white. So do stick to the end. There's really a huge difference. It's incredible how they react and how they actually show up on the black background. So do stick to the end. With that said, I just want to once again thank you for being here. I'll leave you with a little music that I made in Garageband. Not that interesting, really, but I don't have much more to say. And like I said, was just a test piece, and I just thought that it would be good to show it to you as well, so that maybe you can get some inspiration from this. So I just want to wish you a wonderful day. Take care, and later. Bye.